Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a Valentine's Day look, clothing I would wear on Valentine's Day. And this is the first outfit. The bag was gifted by my mom. I have no idea where it's from. The dress is a Allure Couture, black owned brand. The shoes are Eagle. So this is something I would definitely wear on Valentine's Day. I feel like the cut right here gives it a bit of sex appeal. I like the length, show off your legs, and this have a bit of snake print on there, and so does my shoe, so I feel like it goes well together. So the one piece jumpsuit is from Roaso Studio. I'll leave where it's from. I love how it has padding in the boob area. I like the straps because it's adjustable. And I just paired it with my mule heels and this purse from Boohoo. This is for the girls that they don't want to do too much but still want to show a bit of body. I feel like a jumpsuit like this is perfect for Valentine's Day also. You can't go wrong. This is for the more casual. You don't want to overdo it. I feel like this is perfect for like a casual Valentine's Day fit. So this is the next outfit. I actually wore this outfit on New Year's night and it was a hit. Hubby loved it, so I feel like this would also be perfect for Valentine's Day. However, I would suggest, instead of how I did the string, I would suggest you start stringing it from the top all the way down to the bottom, so the extra string can be hidden down here. I love the dress. It's a nice thick material. It's definitely worth the money, and it is from Lovely Wholesale. I have on some Eagle heels, strappy heels, and I feel like this is very perfect. This is for the girl that want to show a bit of sex appeal, okay darling? A bit of sex appeal. Make sure you're not rubbing out your pum pum. Pa hungry belly, pa Valentine's Day though. We're not accepting anything less than exceptional for this Valentine's Day. We don't want no bare minimum, okay? We have to put a bit of effort into it this Valentine's Day. Forget somebody say yeah, work for it. So this is the last and final look. This one is a bit out there. This is a little bit more, yes baby, okay. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.